The United States of America, the richest country in the history of human civilization, $27 trillion in GDP, and yet 78% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. Look at this map. The United States produces more wealth than any nation ever built. But zoom in, and you will find something that does not make sense. The people building that wealth cannot afford to keep any of it. 5 monsters are responsible for this. They have been feeding on American wealth for decades. They have names, they have faces, and after today, you will never unsee them again. Monster number 1, Chompy. The average American gets a raise and immediately upgrades their entire life. Chompy grows with every upgrade, and savings stay exactly at 0. In 1990, the average American saved 10% of their income. Today, that number has collapsed to less than 4%.
The weapon against Chompy is simple. Pay yourself first. The moment your salary arrives, before Chompy sees it, move 20% directly to investments.
Monster number 2, Sucky, the salary vampire. Every single payday, before you touch a single dollar, Sucky is already there, waiting. After Sucky takes his share, rent arrives, then the car, then insurance, then bills. By the time everything is paid, the average American has less than $200 left every single month. You cannot eliminate Sucky, but you can shrink his bites. 3 legal shields exist: 401k, HSA, business deductions. The rich use all 3 every single day, and on the same salary, they keep dramatically more. Monster number 3, Blobby. America has more consumer debt than any country ever measured, $17 trillion. And the average American is carrying $104,000 of it personally. Blobby is enormous here. Student loans alone, $1.7 trillion. 45 million Americans are paying for a degree they finished years ago. Look at this map. Every state, every city, Blobby is there. And minimum payments keep him exactly the same size. The weapon against Blobby is simple. Pay more than the minimum. Even $50 extra per month attacks the highest interest first. Watch what happens to Blobby when you do. Monster number 4, Rusty. He does not need sleep. He does not need a salary. He does not call in sick. And right now, at this exact moment, Rusty is scanning every job in America. Customer service, accounting, data entry, writing, design, legal research, truck driving. Rusty is already doing all of them. But Rusty has 3 blind spots. He cannot lead real people, he cannot build genuine trust, and he cannot think truly originally. These 3 skills make you completely Rusty-proof. Forever. The 5th and most dangerous monster. He never steals directly. He makes everything cost more instead. And in America, Sneaky has been working overtime. Sneaky is not an accident. Every time the government prints more money, Sneaky grows. More dollars chasing the same goods equals higher prices. You did nothing wrong. The printer made him. Since 2020, American grocery bills up 25%, rent up 30%, car insurance up 47%, energy up 40%. Same salary, Sneaky got bigger every single year. The only way to beat Sneaky? Own things that grow faster than him. Stocks beat inflation historically. Gold holds value. Property grows with Sneaky instead of against him. Cash in your bank? Sneaky eats it silently. This is why Americans are broke. Not because they are lazy, not because they do not work hard enough. 5 invisible monsters working simultaneously on every single paycheck, every single month for their entire lives. Against Chompy, pay yourself first. Against Sucky, use the 3 shields. Against Blobby, pay more than minimum. Against Rusty, build the 3 skills.